So sometimes what you may also want to do is define out recurring exceptions in calendars in Microsoft Project. So to do that, if you were to go around onto the project tab right here, then once you go around over here, you can see that you can go to change working time. And this is what I have right here. So we have a holiday and trip to staff right here, and that is added in as an exception, as you can see right here. But let's say what I want is I want to add in a recurring exception. Let's say, for example, in the beginning of every month right here. So in that case, I can go around and say, let's say, for example, monthly break right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and say monthly break, and over here you can see that 12 is selected, but let me just go around and select out, let's say, 2nd of January right here, and then you can see that the finish time is can be selected over here as well. So I'm just going to go around, select out the same day for now, and then I'm going to go around onto details right here. So this is going to be defined as a non-working time right here, and let's say this is a monthly recurring event right here on day 2 of every a month right here, every 1 month or 2 months, as you can see, just like this. So once this is done, you can go around and end this out, let's say, for example, after 24 occurrences, meaning it will repeat out 24 times. Then after that, it won't repeat anymore. So we can define it just like this, and then you can see this is non-working. So let's just press OK, and now you can see that there's an exception over here. And if I were to go around and then scroll down, so you can see that as I go around and scroll down right here, let me just go around over here and go to the current date. So let's just go around over here on to 22 right here, 23. So you can see that this is there on this month and on this month over here, just like this as well, till 24. And after 24 occurrences, you don't see that anymore in the calendar. And that is how you can go around and then define out like the exceptions for a particular day in a recurring way as well. What you can also do is you can go around over here, and let's say I'm going to have a weekly meeting on Friday. So in that case, I'm just going to go around and say weekly meeting, and in this is an exception over here as well. So you can see that I didn't do a correct date right here. So let me just go around over here and select out, let's say, 6 right here, and then select out 6 right here as well for now, and then go to details, and I'm going to go around and say this is a working time right here. So there's going to be a meeting every Friday from 1 to, let's say, for example, 2 p.m. right here. So let me just go around and delete that out right there, and then I'm going to say this is a weekly recurring event on the Friday right here, just like this. And after 24 occurrences for this as well, I want it to end. Or you can go around and select out a particular date as well. So you can see that, let's say I want this to end by 6/16/25 right here. That means it'll end after 128 occurrences that you see in gray, just like this. So once you're happy with this, you can press OK, and every Friday there is an exception, and you can see that this is an exception, but it is still a working day, and that is why you see it in a lighter blue color right there, denoting that it is a working day. And that is how you can go around and define out recurring exceptions. And this again is specific to the calendar that you select right here on the standard itself. And that is how you can go around and define out recurring exceptions inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.